Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel called as Male Beauty because I'm male and beauty की तो आप बात ही ना करें, literally कूट कर भरी मेरे अंदर. So in today's video, I'm gonna share all the makeup products which I have in my vanity as a male model. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, before moving forward, let me tell you, some people might take this as an offense that men shouldn't use makeup. But guys, please make a note of it. In entertainment world, everyone needs to use makeup, whether it's man or woman. Guys, makeup is just an art. It is not something, a drug or something which should be banned for one entire gender. So guys, as a freelance model, देखो बहुत सारे ऐसे शूट होते हैं ना जिसमें आपको मेकअप आर्टिस्ट प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, तो आपको उसकी टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. What if makeup artists call it quit in the last moment? Then what will you do? Of course, ये बात है यार, फोटोग्राफर आके तो आपका मेकअप करेगा नहीं. प्लस एज ए मॉडल आपको कितने सारे कास्टिंग्स में जाना होता है, कितने ऑडिशंस देने होते हैं. सो गाइस, टू बी ऑन द सेफ साइड, एवरी मॉडल और एनी पर्सन हु इज वर्किंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा इन द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री शुड नो दिस लाइफ सेविंग स्किल ऑफ अप्लाइंग बेसिक मेकअप दैट कैन जस्ट मेक यू लुक प्रेजेंटेबल. एंड वार्निंग, ओके, कॉशन, आई एम नो Bhumika Bahl, I am no James Charles, I am not an expert. It's just the basic makeup which I have in my cute little pouch, and this is what I've learned in my journey of modeling, plus with the help of fellow models who have always supported and guided me. So let me just show you what's in my bag. So first thing first, from this little bag is this Xilla moisturizer. It is especially for acne and oily skin. This has been recommended to me by my dermats. It's been like 1 year. I have literally emptied these bottles of this moisturizer. Guys, if you apply makeup, you should know you just cannot start your makeup without a skin which is well hydrated and well moisturized. So I have currently 2 bottles of this moisturizer. One is literally in my makeup pouch and the another one is in my skincare pouch. So in my skincare pouch, whenever I wake up in the morning, I did a face wash. So just to moisturize my skin, to make it more accessible, I just have 2 bottles of it. By the way, just tell me in the comment section if you would like to see my skincare pouch, because there also I have my skincare products with me, so I can give you a video on that as well. So first thing first is this Xilla moisturizer, which I absolutely love. I am not kidding on this one. So the second product out of this bag is a primer. So guys, as I told you that I don't do heavy makeup on my own. I usually do it with the help of a makeup artist on shoot, but kabhi kabhar when I have to do light makeup, that's why I've just ordered a chotu sa. This is by the brand Nykaa. Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. So guys, it is a no-brainer that primer actually helps you to make your look last long, because it just converts your raw face into a perfect canvas on which you can apply makeup, and it also helps you blend the makeup perfectly. It just helped me to even out the uneven structures. I have a little bit of pores on my face. It helps to fill it perfectly and just smoothens the entire process of just applying makeup on my face. All the links of all the products are in the description box. Just read the online reviews, and if you would like to purchase, you may go ahead, because I love this. So guys, coming to the next product. So different people have different ways to do their face. Usually when I'm done with my moisturizer and primer, I prefer to apply this product. Ding ding ding. So I prefer to apply a color corrector. This is by the brand Purple. It just gives you a buildable to medium coverage. I love the fact that it has this creamy texture which just blends in your skin perfectly. And the shade name is City Agent 1. I think that's such a cool name. So coming to the colors, actually the yellow one, I usually use it on my forehead to sort of brighten it. And then we have the purple one, which helps you in neutralizing your yellow spots. So the colors which I use the most is like this green one and this peach one. So this green one, I have a lot of acne sometimes which gets cleared up. Right now, by God's grace, I have been really concentrating on my diet, so I have lost all my acne. I'm so happy about it. But whenever I have acne, whenever I have red ones, this green color corrector works wonders. Second one is this little bit of peach one. This I really love again, because earlier I used to do this mistake of directly applying concealer. So what was my issue with that? That my under eyes would look dark and ashy. I just watched all the makeup tutorial on YouTube, and I got to know that is very important. Before applying concealer, you need to apply a little bit of color corrector. So next is this dark orange, which I don't use very often, because I read that this is actually for people who are blessed with melanin. Maybe one day when I will learn advanced portion of makeup, then I will be able to use all of them, but currently only these 2 I've been using. So next, before going ahead with my makeup, I like to treat my lips a little bit. But how do you treat your lips as a man? That's such a controversial question. I mean, I am a very modern, open-minded man, but because of the stereotype which you have around you as a male model, or I think as just just as a man, you should be very careful while choosing a lip care product. I mean, when you are in shoot, then it's fine because makeup artists take creative liberties. So if they want your lips to look a little bit of pinkish or a little bit of pale, they use certain lip shades. So whenever I go to purchase my lip care products, I am very particular. Anything that shouldn't have any sort of color, it shouldn't have extra shine. क्योंकि जरा से भी आपने ऐसा लिप केयर प्रोडक्ट ले लिया जो हल्का सा शाइन आपको एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा है, तो सारे फ्रेंड दे आर गोना टीज यू एंड से ओ आजकल लड़के भी लिप ग्लॉस लगाने लगे. I mean, these stereotypes should go away because they are total BS. But as we say that you should do activism when you have a say. Currently, I'm not a very successful person or something, so I don't really have a say. So I'm just trying to stick to the norms. So the lip care product which I use, I am in love with this. So जिस lip product के लिए मैंने इतनी hype बना दी, वो है this black grape lip butter by the brand called as Nat Habit. This is the first time I've been using lip butter and I've been loving this product a lot. So the reason why I do my lips prior, so that by the time my makeup gets finished, the goodness of this lip butter gets infused in my lips properly and it helps my lips to look a little bit of plumpy and naturally healthy. So, and can I say kissable also? We are not saying that. Maybe we can. So the next product we have in our makeup vanity is actually concealer. So at this moment I have two concealers with me. Both are by the brand Swiss Beauty. They are the liquid concealers. One is in the shade 03 which I think is light moyen and one is in the shade 05 which is medium moyen. जब मैं पहली बार मेकअप खरीद रहा था I had no idea about my shade, कौन सा लेना चाहिए कौन सा नहीं लेना चाहिए. So दोनों ही मेरे शेड से थोड़े बहुत मैच कर रहे थे, so I just bought both of them. The best part about the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer is that it is super affordable. It gives you a good coverage, guys. It gives you a good coverage, be it redness, be it swelling, be it your acne marks or blemishes or your dark circles. It conceals everything just perfectly. I kind of like it. I can play dandiya with it. No, don't do it. So the next product which I have in my vanity is actually foundation. For foundation I have two products. So one is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation which is actually in the shade of 123. I think it is soft nude. I love the fact that it gives you a matte and poreless finish. I don't use it on a daily basis because this is a little bit costly. So whenever I have outdoor shoot, I just prefer this foundation. It also has SPF 22. And the second product which I have in the list of foundation is actually the OG product. किसी भी इंसान से आप पूछ लीजिए जो अपनी मेकअप जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहा है, उसके मेकअप वैनिटी में आपको ये प्रोडक्ट दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. दैट इज नन अदर देन द BB cream by Mars. Guys, I have to tell you, I love this product so much. The first product which I purchased in my makeup journey was this Mars BB cream only. Whenever there's a time constraint and I don't have time, I just apply this. I apply nothing. Of course, a little bit of moisturizer I apply. Of course, I feel like this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, when you have like proper shoot, then I use this because it gives you a better coverage because it is of course costly. So the next product in my vanity is actually a product which I never skip. Starting में मैं बहुत skip करता था इस product को, जिससे मेरा makeup बहुत melt होता था and it would look so terrible. So this is the product by the brand called Forever 52 Daily Life, which is a luxury banana setting powder. I love the fact that it comes with an easy to apply powder puff. Super lightweight. Let me just tell you, it is super lightweight. Gives you a mattified finish and make sure that your foundation and your concealer doesn't crease at all. And you can also use it for baking. I mean, just a win-win. Forever 52 Bananas Luxury Powder, link in the description. So guys, now let's talk about the applicators which I use and which I have in my makeup vanity. So applicators are nothing but the blenders and the brushes which I have. Guys, I have to tell you, I only have just one brush, which is so crazy because this one brush, I use it literally for my foundation. I use it for applying concealer, applying color corrector, everything. Even sometimes whenever you do baking and you need to just scrub off extra powder from your face, I use this brush. So this is by the brand called Cups and Lashes, and this is actually a foundation brush, and the number which is mentioned, I think this may be the model number, which is F016. So this is just very handy product for me. I don't have any other brush other than this. So guys, talking about the beauty blender, this is the only beauty blender which I have in my makeup vanity. This is by the brand called as HP Bronson Professional. This is a beauty blender sponge. So this is the product and I'm soon going to discard it, not because ये अच्छा नहीं है, जो भी भाई जब मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरे पास literally एक ही है, तो this is very good. I think I ordered it from Nike or something, but the fact is I recently watched a video by this dermat called as Dr. Rashmi. So I'm just going to play this clip for you all. Just go watch it.
Most people don't clean their sponges well. Means what? I've just washed it with a little soap under the thing. The bacteria will be sitting inside the things of the sponge. I always tell my artists, please, worth 300 rupees, you get a whole dabba of disposable triangle sponges. So just keep chucking it out. Don't reuse the sponge.
So guys, I am really going to follow her advice to make sure there is no build up, there is no skin infection or any problem which may actually cause acne and other skin problems. So I'm definitely gonna use disposable ones from now on. So guys, these were the 8 products which I have currently in my vanity, and the one product which I haven't talked about is about my sunscreen which I use. I just feel like sunscreen is not a cosmetic makeup product but is actually a necessity for your skin. So currently I've been using Acne UV Gel sunscreen. मैंने इसका detailed review channel पर डाल रखा है. I think this is one of the best sunscreen which I've ever used in my life for oily skin, for combination skin, for acne prone skin जैसी मेरी skin है. So if you would like to check the review of this product, you can just head to this link. Description also I will try to put. Do tell me in the comments what all videos you want to see on my channel. I will make it and upload it. So I hope you like this video. So now before going, I just want you to answer one simple question. Just answer this question and you may take your leave.
Will I see you later?